welcome back to Think Academy. My name is Teacher Anna, and I am going to be going over a substitution problem today. I just want to preface this by saying if I am going too fast or too slow, you can change the speed of this video, and you can always pause to take notes, or rewind or fast forward, whatever you need to do to make sure that you understand the concept that I'm teaching. With that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the same fruit represents the same number, and different fruits represent different numbers. According to the following equations, the watermelon represents question mark. So we are trying to figure out what the watermelon represents. So we're looking for the value of the watermelon. So the first thing we can look for is we can see if we have two apples equals one watermelon, and we have an apple plus a watermelon equals 12, we can substitute the two apples here for the one watermelon. And that would give us, let's see, one apple plus two apples, because those are the two apples that equal this watermelon, plus the third apple over here. And that's going to equal 12. I'm going to put some stems on my apples to make them look a little more like an actual apple. I'm not an artist. So here's our apples. And our three apples are equal to 12. So when we look at this question, how can we figure out what the value of one apple is? If we have three apples is equal to 12, what is the value of just one apple? How do we solve that? Well, you take 12 divided by 3, and that gives you 4. So the value of one apple, let me put my stem on again. The value of one apple equals 4. But that's not what we're looking for. We're not just looking for the value of the apple. We have to go back to the equation because what we're looking for is the value of the watermelon. So now that we know one apple is equal to 4, we can go back to this equation and we can plug in. We have an apple. Let me get my red back out. So we have one apple plus, let me get green out for my watermelon, plus one watermelon equals, let me put my stem on my apple, equals 12. Well, we already know that the one apple equals 4. So I'm going to put a 4 in this apple here. So we now have to solve each side. We're going to subtract the 4, which represents the apple, and that's going to leave us with 12 minus 4 equals 8. So our watermelon's value, one watermelon equals 8. The value of the watermelon is 8. Awesome. Thanks, guys.